Starting next week, masks will be mandatory in many healthcare settings across BC. But the new order doesn't go far enough for some. CTV's Rob Buffum has the details.
Starting next Tuesday, it will be mandatory for many healthcare workers in BC to wear a mask.
It is a requirement, yes. They are mandatory in those settings, in healthcare settings.
The province's mask mandate for healthcare workers was eliminated 6 months ago, but as we enter flu and respiratory season and hospitals face a surge in COVID cases, the province is bringing it back.
Over the past month in British Columbia, we've had a significant increase in the number of cases of COVID, up to 90 per day, 3 deaths, 200 people in hospital. The numbers are going up as we probably should have expected.
It continues to be a challenging time, but we know in this year of the COVID-19 pandemic, this 4th year, we know what to do.
The mandate applies to healthcare workers, volunteers, and visitors in many parts of hospitals, long-term care homes, assisted living facilities, and mental health facilities.
It's really important that we add that extra layer for people who are going in and out of these most high-risk settings.
The plan doesn't go far enough for some.
It's not enough, and it's too late.
The order doesn't apply to all patients depending on their health, and it's not imposed at doctors' or dentists' offices, only optional.
Anywhere where we're congregating indoors right now, when COVID is rampant and flu is just getting started, you're going to be at risk.
We don't have directives that affect physicians and dentists and private practitioners in the community. We do provide guidance and recommendations to them.
The province says the new order will be enforced by ambassadors in healthcare settings, screening people and making sure you're wearing a mask.
And Rob Buffum joins us live from Victoria. Rob, what about masks in schools?
Well, that's a good question. That's something that Protect Our Province BC that we saw in the story there have been pushing for. I did ask Bonnie Henry that today, whether we might see that as a possibility down the road, and she was quite unequivocal. She said kids are going to get sick. That's natural. The answer there is to keep them home. The answer is not, she said, to bring back a mask mandate at all in schools. Mi-jung.
All right, Rob Buffum reporting live tonight from Victoria. Thanks, Rob.